Hey everybody, I'm here today to tell you how to be a better driver for beginners. In this video, I'll be going over 7 specific things that will help you be a better, amazing, safer driver if you are a beginner driver. So if you've just got your license or if you're still in the process of trying to get your license, hopefully this video can help you. Number 1, the first thing that you can do to be a better driver if you're a beginner is continue to practice. Whether you just got your license or whether you still have your learner's permit and you're trying to get your license, you need to practice every day. Even as a licensed driver who's had my license for more than 15 years, I still practice on a daily basis because it's absolutely important. Your driving skills are like anything else, okay? You can know how to do things, but the moment that you stop practicing, you lose the essence. I've seen people that knew how to parallel park perfectly that stopped practicing their parallel parking. They stopped doing it for a few months and all of a sudden they pretty much forgot how to do it properly. So you got to continue to practice as often as you can and try to practice daily or at least every time that you drive your car. Even if it is, once a week, try and practice some of the skills every time that you get behind the wheel. The second thing that you can do is stay humble. I know that if you just got your license, you're like, hey, I got my license. I'm the king of the world. I'm the queen of the world. You need to humble yourself. Stay humble. Listen, we're all drivers on the road. Some are better than others. Some people are better drivers than others, but you got to humble yourself because if you get on the road and you're not humble, you're not modest, you just think you own the road, you're more likely to get into an accident, which is horrible for you and everyone else on the road. So just stay as humble as you can possibly be. Be aware of your skills and your talents, but stay humble as to knowing that you're still just another driver on the road. The third thing that you can do is progress slowly. Now, here's the thing. You got to progress at a slow rate. If you're a beginner driver, sure, you might have your license, but it doesn't mean that you're the best driver on the road. It doesn't even mean that you're an incredible driver. You need to progress slowly. Start slowly. Just because you got your license, it just means that you are good enough to be a safe driver on the road, but there are so many things that you can work on. So start slowly and then work your way up. If you're still learning how to drive on the highway, like you're just a beginner on the highway, then start off by just traveling one exit. Go on the highway and off at the first exit. Next time, do 2 exits. So go on, go past 1 exit and get off at the second exit. 3 exits, 4 exits, and then work your way up. You want to do 1 lane change the first time, maybe 3 lane changes the next time, maybe 8 lane changes the next time. Just progress slowly. Work your way up at a slow, good pace. The fourth thing that you can do is don't break the road rules. Here's the thing, there are rules of the road, and as drivers gain more experience, they end up breaking these rules. When you first get your license, you come to a complete stop, you always signal. Then as someone has had their license for many years, they start rolling the stops, they stop signaling, they stop checking their blind spots, and so forth. Follow the road rules. Follow the rules of the road and never lose sight of them because they are there for a reason. They are there to allow us to all be safe as drivers and pedestrians and road users in one way or another. The fifth thing that you can do to be a better driver for beginners is don't break the rules of the car owner. If you're a young driver and you're driving your parents' car, even if you're an old driver and you're driving your parents' car, or you're driving your sister's car, your brother's car, your spouse's car, whatever the case is, don't break the rules of the car owner. So if the car owner is telling you, be home by this time, be home earlier than that time. Don't break the rules. If the car owner only wants you to go to that location and back, just go to that location and back. Don't break the rules. It's as simple as that. Respect the fact that they are the car owner and they're letting you drive their car. The sixth thing that you can do to be a better driver for beginners is respect other drivers and pedestrians. You want to realize that other drivers and pedestrians are all road users. Everyone else on the road is a user of the road, and we all have to share this roadway. There's one road, but there might be 4 drivers on that road going in either direction. There might be 2 pedestrians on the sidewalk. There might be a cyclist. There might be someone walking a pet. There are so many road users on and around the road. You got to have respect for them. It's as simple as that. Last but not least, the 7th thing that you can do to be a better driver as a beginner driver is understand that people make mistakes. You might be at a stop sign and you have the right of way. This person decides to go first and you're like furious. Why did they go? I have the right of way. Listen, people make mistakes. It happens. Don't let everything get to you. Because you know what? If that person takes the right of way when it's not their turn and you end up getting angry, guess who's going to be in jeopardy or in trouble of getting into an accident? You. When you're driving with road rage on those roads, you're going to be at an increased likelihood of getting into an accident, and you're going to be the one that pays the price. It's as simple as that. So just understand that people make mistakes. Forgive people for making small errors and even large errors. Forgive them. It's as simple as that. And that's it. In this video, I've told you how to be a better driver for beginners. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.